Allstate Furniture Protection Plan features strengths, weaknesses. Allstate's Furniture Protection Plan aims to shield your furniture investment from accidental damage and stains beyond the manufacturer's warranty. Key features include coverage for stains from food, beverages, and even human or pet bodily fluids. It also protects against accidental damage like rips, tears, burns, punctures, and even frame, spring, or mechanism failures. Importantly, it covers furniture used in your residence, offering peace of mind for everyday wear and tear. This plan is ideally suited for families with young children or pets, individuals who frequently entertain guests, or anyone investing in high-end furniture and wanting an extra layer of security against mishaps. It's also good for those with lighter colored or delicate fabrics that stain easily. Strengths include the convenience of in-home service for covered repairs. You typically don't have to haul your furniture anywhere. Allstate often offers stain removal products for self-treatment of minor issues, potentially avoiding a service call altogether. Another pro is the comprehensive nature of the coverage, addressing a broad range of potential incidents. However, the plan does have weaknesses. It doesn't cover pre-existing conditions or damage from normal wear and tear, meaning gradual fading or minor scratches are excluded. Commercial use is also typically not covered, so if you're using the furniture in a business setting, this isn't for you. One of the biggest drawbacks is the claim process. It can sometimes be lengthy and require detailed documentation, including photos and purchase receipts. Customer reviews on the claims experience are mixed, with some reporting smooth resolutions and others citing frustrations with approvals or service scheduling. Furthermore, the cost of the plan varies significantly based on the furniture's price and the coverage duration, so you need to carefully weigh the cost against the likelihood of needing repairs. Before purchasing, scrutinize the policy's fine print to understand exclusions and limitations fully, paying attention to the specific types of damage covered and the claim filing procedures. Consider comparing Allstate's plan with those from other providers, like Guardsman or local furniture retailers, to assess which offers the best value and coverage for your specific needs. Ultimately, the Allstate Furniture Protection Plan provides valuable peace of mind for many, especially those with high-risk lifestyles or significant furniture investments. However, diligent research and a clear understanding of the terms are crucial to ensure it aligns with your expectations and provides genuine protection.